वेलकम टू presentation on बाटा आपका बाटा सबसे आगे बाटा gets you going. Swiss company of Czech origin in India for over 90 years an MNC. It is present in over 70 countries. Organized shoe retail in India started by Bata. Although it is treated as a homegrown brand, it just manufactures in the country. It has a geographical presence across the country. Its market share is about 15%. Every school-going kid remembers the slogan, first to Bata, then to school, year after year. In terms of transparency, disclosure, governance and reputation, they are as good as Tata's. Their slogan, our customer, our master, their store formats, visual merchandising standards, and their price, known as Bata price, ending with rupees 9 or 99 paise, have been matters of case studies for management and marketing students for over decades. Last 12 months, Nifty has returned 29.7%, whereas Bata is negative at 13%. And surprisingly, Relaxo, a smaller company, has posted a return of 23%. Why Bata has performed the way it has? Let us understand the reasons. The fall in the Bata price from 1651 to 1438, a fall of almost 12.9%, started with the COVID fall of March, heavy, almost a quarter. By the time we recovered, we were in November, but it was followed by January and February. Once again, we lost about 9%, and we ended up with 1438, a fall of almost 13%. More to do with one, the COVID in the month of March, and the January-February fall more related to the results declared by the company. That it started with 340 in 2017-18 as annual profits, 18-19 was 478, and it was good up to March 2020 when it reported 487. And the quarter of June, September and December all ended up negative, as we will see. 156 to minus 135, June a loss of 291. September from plus 97 to minus 58, a fall of 156. And December from 176 to 41, loss of 135, which brought down 487 to the level of negative 94, with one more quarter to go of March 21. There cannot be major surprises. This is what is reflected in the market price of the company. This is how it all stacks up for Bata. Bata deals in shoes and sandals for men, women, kids and accessories. It has got fashion, sport, formal, casual and school. Fashion and sport are rich margin items. Formals are normal margins, whereas casuals have lower margins. And it so transpires that during this period of 9 months, no social gatherings, work from home and no school, sales muted by COVID were high margin and normal margin items, and there was expansion only in casuals, which were lower margins, which resulted in loss of sale and loss of margin. But what the company has done, it has focused on cost control. It has gone on for online sale, which is about 15% of the current sales, and further strengthening that sector. They have put extra efforts on franchise developments and wholesale segment of the market. The company is in full control of the situation and has been strategizing on time and positively. Chart of Bata, short-term averages moving down. There is a green candle at 200 EMA, but there are no supporting volumes to confirm upward move. The stochastic RSI is still in the oversold zone. MACD is not supporting. OBV is suggesting a divergence which might fuel a trend reversal, but nothing to confirm firm directional moves at this point in time. It has got an ascending channel starting from September 2018, and even in the month of March, it has hit the bottom of the channel. It has been forming triangles, going up and hitting the top and then bouncing downwards. Now it is on 200 EMA, but the channel has got its bottom far below 200 EMA, suggesting some more downside in the share price before it moves upwards towards the upper end of the channel. Bata's retracement level as of now is at 68.3%. There is an upside of about 220 rupees to reach the March 20 high of 1690. But this is all subject to the share movement going alongside the ascending channel. It has to first hit the bottom panel of the channel and then the upward journey could be safely assumed. Bata is an honest company, a transparent company, and the real multinational pioneer starting organized shoe retail in the country. Its prices are affordable and products are of fashion and comfort, fits into every budget. Bata pricing is well known with 9 and 99. Our customer, our master is its honest slogan. It is facing competition from unorganized sector, but over a period of time it should fall in place. It's true that COVID demolished the profitable segment of formals, fashion and school, but Bata has been able to turn the corner. Its wholesale division has been given more focus. Franchise development is at its new level. It has gone for online sales, and cost control and cost effectiveness has been the new focus of Bata. It's believed that Bata is at the beginning of a new optimistic cycle. You may please access stock learning videos at this info point. First, you found the video helpful and informative. Kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for information on new videos. Thank you so much and thanks for your time and support. The video is for purposes of information, education and awareness only. This is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell or hold securities. Kindly seek the advice of a competent professional as necessary.